What's up everybody, Stan Chan here, and I'm so excited to announce that we are bringing back the TOYOTIRES Shutter Space Photo Contest and Car Meet.
Go!
This year's theme is going to be a little bit more challenging. Creative motion. What's creative motion? We have a couple of examples. One of them is panning shots.
Hey guys, Dion here with TOYOTIRES. So today we're going to show you how to shoot some panning shots, some rolling shots, and later on some long exposures. So we got the cars set up right here, and I got my camera right here. I'll show you guys panning first. All right, so the trick with panning shots, just low shutter speed, 80th or so, and if you don't have an ND filter, you're probably gonna have to turn it up to like 5.6. You're gonna be stationary, the car's gonna be moving. Boom.
Rolling shots.
All right, so next we're gonna do rolling shots. Rolling shots setup similar to panning. The only difference is you're actually moving with the vehicle itself. You're in a car, that guy's in a car, and you're gonna roll together. Rollers. So I got my settings right here at F9 at 60th of a second at 64 ISO because it's broad daylight right now. I'll show you how that looks.
Long exposure shots.
All right, so you guys might know this place. This is where Johnny Tran and his cousin Lance blew up the Eclipse. And we're gonna do a quick long exposure shot right now with Johnny's white RX-7. So let's get on it. So I have my exposure at about 8 seconds at F8 at the lowest ISO because I don't want noise in my shot. And we're gonna see how it looks.
I hope you got all that. Again, these are just some examples, but that doesn't mean that's what you have to do. Creative motion is really up to your interpretation. This year's grand prize is a trip to Las Vegas and to be an official TOYOTIRES photographer at the SEMA show. So make sure you click on the link below because we have a lot of other amazing prizes. Once the photo contest is over, the 19 finalists and the grand prize winner's image will be blown up and hung in a gallery at our car meet. Past car meets have actually taken place in SoCal, Hawaii, and Houston, but this year we're bringing it back to SoCal. So make sure you follow our social channels to find out when and where.